Hello everyone, and welcome. In this demo, we will learn how teachers can mark student attendance in openSIS. From the teacher dashboard, we can view all the classes assigned to the teacher. The dashboard displays both today's classes, which are scheduled for the current day, and all classes, which shows the teacher's complete class schedule for the week. To mark attendance, click on one of today's scheduled classes. This opens the class overview page, where teachers can access student information, attendance records, gradebook configuration, assignments, grades, and the class calendar. Now, navigate to the Attendance tab. This page displays the list of students enrolled in the selected class, along with the attendance options available for each student. The following attendance codes can be used. Present indicates that the student attended the class as scheduled. Absent indicates that the student was not present during the class. Tardy indicates that the student arrived late but attended part of the class. Late, used when the student reports late according to the institution's attendance policy. Half day indicates that the student attended only part of the school day, such as arriving late or leaving early due to approved reasons. The corresponding short codes for each attendance status are also displayed for quick identification. If required, teachers can also enter attendance comments to record additional information, such as the reason for an absence, late arrival, or any other relevant remarks. After marking attendance for all students, click Submit to save the attendance records. If any corrections are required later, teachers can update the attendance by selecting the appropriate attendance code and submitting the changes again. This completes the process of marking student attendance from the teacher portal in openSIS. Thank you for watching.